Guangdong Chaoqiang Electronic Technology Company Limited is located in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province. Established in 2011, integrating design, production, sales, and service as a technology-based enterprise, specializing in the production of metal detector, checkweigher, metal separator X-ray machine, needle detector, and security equipment widely used in many fields, such as food, textile, pharmaceutical plastics industries. With an annual production capacity of 8,000 units, our factory is a well-known manufacturer in the same industry in China. Chaoqiang, adhering to the quality of products as the guide customer-centric service purposes, continuous introduction of outstanding technical talents to provide customers with technologically advanced equipment and solutions. At the same time, it is equipped with advanced quality testing. We have obtained CE certification, which effectively guarantees the punctuality and high efficiency of production and also guarantees the high quality of batch products. Our products are hot selling in China and all over the world, exported to Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, and receive praise from customers. In addition, we support OEM and ODM orders. We firmly believe that only through continuous innovation and improving our technological development and innovation capabilities can we achieve long-term development. One team, one dream. The Chaoqiang team adheres to the spirit of technological innovation and achieves the excellence of testing equipment. It makes each enterprise application more efficient and safe, creates value for all enterprises, and sincerely provide confidence and service to customers.